This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today we're going to do a range test of Volkswagen ID7 station wagon, or yeah, it has many names, but this is the rear-wheel drive, 82 kilowatt-hour battery. So maybe the GTX with all-wheel drive and bigger battery is more popular in Norway. But anyway, we're going to test now how efficient is this car. How much heavier than the well, as in Norway they call it fastback. In Deutschland they call it limousine. You know, how heavier is it? How less efficient is it? Except for that, I think this is the first time I tried 19-inch wheels. These rims, yeah, Continental Eco Contact 6Q it's called. So it's a beautiful car. Here, see, plenty space in the back seat. And also in the trunk, of course. This is why you get this station wagon. You have this big boxy trunk and also some space under here for, yeah. Well, you can actually lower it. Yeah. So you guys know this. I have to do banana box test eventually. But wait, didn't close it properly. Yeah, so the plan is just to do some consumption tests. We don't have to test the battery too much. We already know it. See, it reports 77 kilowatt-hour before any losses. So yeah, please switch on the ignition. What are you gonna try to ignite? Okay, but yeah, let's do this. All right. The plan is just to drive from here. No. I forgot you have to click here first. From here and then north a little bit, maybe to Strandisha and then back again. That's it. 2 times in 2 different speeds. Okay, let's check the weight of the car. Front axle 1100 and the whole car. Yeah, it weighs 20 kilograms less than the fastback. Possibly because of no sunroof and maybe some other equipment, maybe different wheels. Okay. Well, we're on the move. We're doing the 120 kilometers per hour test first. And I'm going to show you that we have some nice feature here. That tiny little indicator there shows that we can have auto lane change. And also, maybe hard to show on the head display here, but let's see. Okay, if I change lane now, there, you see some arrows going on at the head of display. A very nice feature, yeah. So the software has been updated to show slightly different stuff on the AR instrument cluster. I mean AR head of display here. And okay, we're trying to match the fastback's consumption, which is 191 watt-hour per kilometer. We're currently at 207 watt-hour per kilometer, but we have more efficient wheels now. So one thing I noticed is that the car feels a bit bouncy-ish. I'm not sure. I was like, wait, where is that superb comfort I had before? And then when I went to the mode here, and I went to individual, I realized that we don't have DCC. If we had DCC, there'd be a slider on top here. We can change the damper comfort. So yeah, this car is not that fully loaded. Also, you see here, I don't have what? Okay, it's a bit dark, but I don't have the panorama roof here. Oh shit, it became very dark. And how is Mjøsen today? We have tailwind, a little bit of tailwind. Okay, and then we have 20 degrees Celsius outside. Well, 19.5. So it should be a pretty good driving condition. And then okay, the consumption has now dropped to 175, but we also went downhill. Result from the 120 test, 187 watt-hour per kilometer, and this car even underreports slightly, so it's even lower than that. Wow, okay, there was some traffic that might have caused me to drive slightly slower, but okay, well, this is what we get then. Or can we round it up to 188, because this car counts when you're stationary. Okay, next test. Okay, 90 test, we have to go to 93 kilometers per hour. It's still 19.5 degrees outside. So this time we need a lot lower consumption. Wow, look at this, 125 watt-hour per kilometer, but we have gone downhill and we have tailwind. So this is going to be interesting. Can we match 137 watt-hour per kilometer with the sport back, no, the fastback? I just noticed something here. You see, we have massage seats, but we don't have the pelvic rotation, or which is on the butt here, the butt massage. So this is the poor man's ID7 with reduced equipment. This time it was 138 watt-hour per kilometer, but according to the distance here, we have 0.9% underreported distance. That means that the real consumption is 137 watt-hour per kilometer, exactly the same as the fastback. Wow. So yeah, assuming that we get 75.3 kilowatt-hour, then we have, of course, 550 kilometers of range, just like the other ID7. But then the 120 test was slightly better today, even though I might not trust it 100%. Maybe I should have redone it, but it's close enough, right? So yeah, it means that if you go for the station wagon, as long as you get 19-inch wheel, you should get roughly the same efficiency as the fastback with maybe 20-inch wheels. So either way, these cars, they are extremely efficient for what it is. You know, it's a large family car with lots of space and lots of comfort. So that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.